Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, привет. Today we have an exciting review lined up for you all. We will be taking a close look at camel poster colors and discussing their pros and cons. These colors are known for their rich and vibrant pigments. These colors are highly opaque. You can see that how the first thin layer of paint dried quickly and the second one is taking little bit of time, but poster colors do dry quickly. Another perk is that these paints remain usable even after drying, unlike acrylics, which can't be used after 3-4 days. These paints are easy to blend and create your own custom colors. Plus, it's a breeze to clean up after your painting sessions. These paints work well for adding layers to create shadows, depth, and details in your artwork. As these are more opaque, you can layer light colors on top of darker ones. The lifting process with poster colors is achieved by gently lifting the paint with a clean, damp brush or tissue, allowing you to correct or adjust your artwork as needed. So these are all the pros of camel poster colors. Now let's share some cons of poster colors. One thing I don't like about these paints is that when you use them one day, you might notice some oil on the surface the next day. You have to mix it well before painting. I use the handle part of the brush for mixing, which can waste a bit of paint. But I like to save paint, so I scrape the excess off the brush and put it back in the bottle. Poster colors dries quickly, so if you are not swift with your work, you might find it challenging to blend and achieve the desired effects. You can see in this painting how I have blended the colors uniformly. Can you see the dark oil-like substance? I think that is a binder used from dried sap of the acacia tree, also known as gum arabic, as their binder. When I was mixing the paints, then I touched the oil and it felt very sticky. If anyone is using Dome's poster colors, could you please inform me if there is any oily substance at the top of the paint? Poster colors are highly opaque, so you can easily add light colors over dark hues. In conclusion, camel poster colors are a solid choice for artists and hobbyists. They offer brilliant colors, versatility, and easy cleanup. So would I recommend camel poster colors? Absolutely. They are a reliable option for anyone looking to bring their creativity to life with vibrant and beautiful colors. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe to GM Creations for more art supply reviews and creative inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy painting. Until next time, keep creating and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.